slim thick. She might drug, she might fix.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shefi and you're welcome back to Shefi's Life. If this is your first time coming across any of my videos, welcome, join the gang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and your family. I create lifestyle related content. I make vlogs, I make lookbooks, I do as I please, and I post when I can. So let's get right to the video. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'll basically be showing you guys how I get my hair done and my makeup and pick an outfit because I actually have a date today. well, let's just get right into the video. If you like how my makeup looks, or you want to know how I get my makeup done or how I get my hair laid, don't just stay tuned. Get you a glass of wine and watch the video. Bye. I'll be starting off the video by using the Ebin spray in red. Apparently there are other colors, and I basically just spray that on my, I'll say my edges, but don't spray it on your edges if you don't want to lose your hair. And then I try to lay my hair down. I start little by little, so I just put an elastic band on it and then pin my hair to the back so it doesn't bother me. You can see my lace on the other side. That's because I told you, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be doing it in beads, so just so it's not complicated for me. I'm not trying to sleep here, so I'm using the hairdryer to dry my glue faster so I can just lay my hair and keep it moving. And we're gonna move right on to my makeup real quick and come back to the hair later. I'm just right here, I'm just prepping my skin, putting on the primer. I already moisturized my skin earlier, so just putting on my primer. And then I'm just outlining my eyebrows. Cleaning it off with a concealer, and I'm going to be doing that on both sides. Obviously, I'm not going to do it now. You get what I'm saying? Yada yada yada. Just concealed my eyebrows real quick, and then I'm going in with my eyeshadow. It took me so long to decide what kind of eyeshadow I wanted, but then I figured, I don't know, let me just freestyle it. So I'm using the Juvia's Place palette, and I just use the brown from the Juvia's Place palette, and then I use the Aurora palette from BH Cosmetics and just created something I liked. I'm just freestyling it at this point. And then we'll go straight in right into my concealer. I like to use two different shades of concealer, and I use them step by step, one after the other. This is not a makeup tutorial, so I'm not here to tell you guys my this. If you want me to tell you, yes, I'm sure I have a video on my channel that details the products that I use for my day-to-day makeup. If you want to see and know all the products I use, I'm going to leave a link in the description box, and I'm going to leave the video up here so you guys can see it. So I call this my own technique. I'm not baking, I'm not setting, I'm in between. I put a lot of powder on my face because I don't know, I don't just like seeing any under eye or wrinkle or anything, so I stuff it with powder a lot. And then I'm concealing my face. I like to look bronzed, I like to look snatched, I like my nose looking snatched to the gods. And then there's this girl on Instagram that I just saw recently that was doing it, and I was like, oof, I'm gonna try it out. And since I tried it, my life has not remained the same. I've loved it, and I'm just going back in with the Morphe to contour my face. And then I went back in with my Aurora palette just for my under eye. Again, this is not a makeup tutorial. If you want a makeup tutorial, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll do that for you. A detailed one, I'll do it for you, just for you guys. I'm going in with this
Charlotte Tilbury powder.
Say hi to Maury.
Hi.
Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy liquor and real bless. Can I blow a breeze from the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out,
Okay, now I'm just putting like finishing touch. I'm putting on the eyeliner, lining up my face, wearing my mascara. Lining my tear ducts, wearing the mascara, just, I don't know, doing what I feel like is necessary and what I feel like doing, something like that.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside.
I'm just lining my lips with my favorite lip liner. If you guys want to know the name of the lip liner, you go and watch my previous videos, okay? That's it. Moving forward, I'm just wearing lashes. I'm sure every girl has this struggle. We struggle with lashes, but today it's looking like God is on my side because I didn't really struggle.
I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cut.
And then I'm just trying to fix my hair now. Ooh, look at the girl looking snatched or whatever. Not everybody fits in the bad bitch genre. Not everybody fits in the bad bitch genre. It's a genre. I'm just blending my hair with my face at this point.
To go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied.
Alright, now we're back to my hair and I'm just loosening out the twist I did previously on it. And oh my god, I'm loving the coils. Like, girl, what is this? I even like it more than the nonsense flexi rod I put in the beginning, but then I'm loving these coils. I got the hair from Ashimiri. If you guys would like hair tutorials and stuff like that, you should go and reach out to the company. Let them send me free wig. I'm joking. But still, if you like hair tutorials, let me know in the comment section. And I'll take you along how I pluck, bleach, and all those shenanigans.
Chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
And then here I'm just deciding what kind of lipstick I wanted. If I wanted to go for a red lipstick, I wanted pink. But then I decided red. Why not? Why not? Let me make Riri proud.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is
girl, alright girl, I like those cheekbones. I like it, let them see. And the nose, okay, girl.
all day long.
If they can come together, I decided to spray my face with a Morphe setting spray. And now, oh my god, normally charm, look at the baby girl. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video, honestly. Okay. This is the outfit I picked out. The dress is from Fashionnova. I got it a long time ago, so I'm not sure if I can still find the link. If I find it, I'll leave it in the description box. And my bag is Jack. I look cute or whatever. Let me know in the comment section if I look cute. Okay, leave a comment and let me know if you like this video still. Hi. Okay, so if you got to this point of the video, that means you're done. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Be back, like, let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this video. If you guys want more videos like this where I show you guys how I leave my hair, if you want me to talk more about my hair, talk about the clothes, talk about my makeup, let me know and I'll make a video about it. But right now, bye guys, take care of yourselves and I'll see you later.